Welcome! In front of me is a OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, we'll need to turn it off. So we're going to hold our power button and then you want to swipe down to power it off. When the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Gonna let go of the power button once I see the logo. And this will then boot me into recovery mode, but before we actually see the options, we have to select our desired language. So I'm gonna choose English. And in here, we have our recovery mode options. We have format data, reboot or power off the device. Now under format data, obviously this is just a factory reset. Before you can format it, you will just need to put in this code right here. And the two options below that are just ways of leaving this mode. So I'm gonna select a reboot device and confirm it, which will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.